Hey YouTube, this is the new water monitor I got. Had him almost a month now. Still a little skittish, still biting. I'm gonna see if he wants to eat right now, which he won't really eat in front of me, so let's see what happens. Come on. Yeah, guess he doesn't want to eat. Let's see if I can pick him up. Come on. What are you doing? Yeah, I didn't think so. You don't want to eat? There he is. Where you go? Come here. Built him a new cage. I'll have to do an update on that. Actually, it's just about done. What's the matter, free cat? Oh, there he is. I guess he ain't gonna do too much else. I'm just let him get used to everything. With these birds in the background here, it's hard. Come here. Usually I just move the shavings around and stuff, and starting to get used to it. Come here. Now, you had enough for today?